Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Connie. Thank you so much for stopping in and joining me and seeing what this video is all about. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I had a company contact me called HiPark, and they wanted to do a collab with me. And I am very particular on who I pick to do collabs with. I just don't pick anybody. And I, of course, had to do more research on the company because I had never heard of them before. And they are a sustainable company. So I thought, I just received my order yesterday. Today is Earth Day, so happy Earth Day. And I thought today would be the perfect day to do this video for you guys. Now, they do 3D wood carvings and handmade wood carvings. They are a sustainable company, which means they lower carbon emissions. They use wood and recycled materials to make all their products. And they are absolutely beautiful. I have a couple of products here that I will be showing you. But first of all, let's go ahead and get into the backstory so you guys are familiar with this company. Okay, you guys, here we are at HiPark.com, and this is their story. So it says HiPark is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet, as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. They also donate 1% of their proceeds to different organizations. So that is something to keep in mind as well. Material we use, according to sccmo.org, about 80% of what Americans throw away is recyclable. Reusing and recycling wood reduces the need to cut down trees. We buy back wood disposal and process it into recycled wood boards and make them raw material for our wood decor. Why we design it like it is? We chose extinct animals as well as endangered and wild animals as our inspiration when we design our products to remind people of their consciousness of protecting our environment and our animals. Better planet, better life. HiPark is always on its way. So they choose extinct animals and endangered just to keep everybody informed and aware of what is going on out there. Here is some of the products that they sell. I will not go through the whole website because I will let you just do that on your own. The link will be in the description box below. Here is the handmade wood carvings that they do. They also have a blog that lets you know what their company is up to. They have their items at Blank Park Zoo, and they are the first zoo gift shop. Make sure that you watch out for fakes out there. Make sure that you order from HiPark. That way you know you are getting the quality that you deserve, okay, for your money. So let's go ahead and see what I picked out. So if you guys are interested at all in ordering, I will have a link in the description box below that will save you on your first order. Now, keep in mind that all of these items are handmade, so they will take about 7 to 12 days to get to you, depending on what you order. Now, you have to give them the time to make them. They are not pull off the shelf and ship. So they do take a little bit of time. But you know what? These are perfect Mother's Day gifts. If you guys are interested in trying to find a great Mother's Day gift, these would be perfect. And as a mother, I can tell you, I would be thrilled to receive one of these. Now, if you want it by Mother's Day, you will have to place your order ASAP to give them the opportunity and the time to make the product for you. So, like I said, everything will be in the description box below, and I will also have a code for you to save you some money on your first order. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this on how it came shipped to me. Okay, first of all, I did pre-open it because I wasn't sure what it was. I have several orders coming in, and I wasn't sure what it was. But they did come from a company in New Jersey. So they are US based, apparently. Okay. And I ordered 2 products, one for me and one for my husband. And this is how they come. They come in these boxes. Very nice, sturdy box. They are wrapped in bubble wrap around them to help protect them even more. They have the styrofoam to protect it. And then when you open it up, this is what they look like. This is how they look. Now, this is the wolf one. Okay, this is the one my husband chose. So we will take this out. And I believe I got him the sound activated one. So, okay. Now, if you get the sound activated one, I almost missed this. If you get the sound activated one, they have a remote for it. It comes with a remote, but they also have it packed underneath the packing material. So make sure that you do not throw that away. Just kind of try to remember what you order so you don't throw that piece away. So let's go ahead and open this remote and see what this is all about. Okay. The infrared remote control. When it is sound control mode, the colors will change with the music's rhythm. So say you have a radio going and you want the lights to go with the radio, this will do that. So this is your remote right here. This is what it looks like. And we will be testing this out. Okay. So that is your remote. But let's get a good look at this beautiful piece. Absolutely beautiful piece. Now, my husband did order the wolf, and it does come with the USB end, so you will need a block if you want to plug it into a regular outlet. But look at the details on this, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. And it's just gorgeous just without the lights. So there's the side of it, or the front of it. There's the back. And it just looks like a bunch of little thin pieces of wood that make up this. But the detailing is absolutely gorgeous. You see the wolves, you got the moon, you got some bats there. Now, according to their website, this was a Halloween exclusive. But my husband absolutely loves wolves, so this is the one he chose, and this is the one I got him. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, I'm just going to hold it here. As you can see, let's just go ahead and play with this remote. I do have it plugged in, so here is the off. Here is the on. This makes it brighter. This dims it down more. Okay, so we'll brighten it up. This is all red, all green, all blue. There's white, orange, yellow, cyan, purple, and that's called jump 3, jump 7, fade 3, so it fades, Isn't this beautiful, you guys? Fade 7. Absolutely gorgeous. And then these are for music. So let me go ahead and turn on the radio real quick and we'll see what it does. Okay, we can't go on too long with that. As you can see, it's moving with my voice too. Can't go on too long with that because YouTube will not allow that. But all right, let's go ahead and change it back to 1. Okay, as you can see, it is moving with my voice. And if you have music, there's 2. If you have music going on, it's going to dance with the music. Otherwise, it just fades into different colors. There's this one. How cool is this, you guys? Isn't this beautiful? My husband is absolutely going to adore this. So let's go ahead and open my other one. Here is the other one I ordered. This is the one I picked out, and it comes packaged the same way. HiPark. Nice packaging, nice box. Has the all about them in there, and it's packaged the same way. Now, I had a hard time picking out what I wanted because I am a hummingbird lover. I absolutely love hummingbirds, but I really wanted to try this one. And this one is grab it out of here. I love how they package it. That is just, who wouldn't love getting this as a gift? I mean, they go all out for their packaging, the detail, attention to detail on this. Amazing, amazing. I ended up getting a peacock. You guys, look at this. And it's the same end. Now, mine is not sound activated. I got his to be sound activated because we will put that on my patio in our living room. This one I am going to put in my bathroom. So it didn't necessarily need to be sound activated. But we are going to turn it on here in just a moment. And I will show you what it does. But this is absolutely beautiful. Look at the details in this, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. There's the side. There is the back. And there is this one. Okay, I forgot to tell you that my husband's that I ordered was 7.1 inches high by 7.1 inches wide. You can also get it larger. And let me go ahead and click on this and let you know. You can get a 17.7 inches high, 17.7 inches wide. And that comes with, comes with a light as well. I'm not sure if that one is sound activated or not. It doesn't seem to give that option. It looks like the smaller one is possibly more sound activated. I don't think the large one is. But this one that you just seen would run $52.99. Now that's without any discount code. So make sure if you guys are interested in ordering one of these that you use that link down below and use my discount code, because that's going to save you a good amount of money. But who wouldn't love this? The wolf, if you have a wolf lover in your family, Father's Day is coming up in June. A birthday gift, Christmas, you know, it's never too early to think about that kind of stuff. So now, like I said, his was 7.1 inches by 7.1 inches. This peacock that I picked out is 5.9 inches high by 7.5 inches wide. okay, with the feathers. And I only got the LED light version, okay? So, but you can also get this with the sound activated. Now, if you purchase this with with the LED light version, sorry guys, I'm trying to see. Sorry about that. It would be $42.99. Now, if you decided you can also get it without the light, if you decided you think it's pretty enough on its own, which is absolutely gorgeous, that would be $32.99. And this is before any discounts. And sound activated LED version would be $52.99. Okay, but you have to think about all the time and energy it takes, and being a sustainable company, earth friendly. Look at that, is an awesome deal if you ask me. Absolutely awesome deal. I mean, if you want quality, you're going to pay for it. But to me, this is quality, and I think they could have got away with charging way more than what they are for the time it takes to make it in these things. So let me go ahead and plug this in for you, and I will be back. All right, you guys, look at this. Look how pretty this is. Absolutely gorgeous. And mine is just LED light. It doesn't change colors. So now keep in mind, if you want the color changer, that will be a little bit more expensive. But with my code, hey, while you have a code, you might as well use it. But I think it's absolutely beautiful anyways, the way it is. Just absolutely gorgeous. It has the yellow inside there, which comes out with the light on. And this is perfect for my bathroom. So, and it has an on and off right here. It's a button. So you just hit that button and it turns on. And this is going to make a beautiful nightlight in my bathroom. All right, let's go ahead and go back and wrap up this video. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to keep you till the end of this. Look at these, absolutely beautiful. The workmanship is lovely. The detail, everything from packaging all the way up to the products themselves, attention to detail, and you can definitely tell it in these products. Make sure that you check out their website, and you will see all kinds of different things on there. Mother's Day is coming. Make sure that you go ahead and get that order put in while you can. Get mom her Mother's Day gift. She will thank you forever. This is a gift that keeps on giving. And birthdays, graduations, Father's Day, weddings. Oh my gosh, guys, weddings. I'm sure you can find one on there for weddings. They have a loved one. This would be an awesome wedding gift. Make sure that you use that discount code to save you some money. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below which one of these is your favorite, and if you think you might order from them. And if you end up ordering, come back and let me know, because I would love to know what you would pick out. All right, guys, until my next video, I hope you all have a great Earth Day. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.